Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you another capsule wardrobe that I've created for one of my clients. I think you might like it because it's quite a simple capsule. It's a small capsule, it only includes 10 items, but even though it was made in a casual style, I've included a lot of interesting color combinations, and you can also see and learn how to do some styling tricks like color blocking or vertical lines and stuff like that. I will explain. I've created this capsule last autumn, but I think it fits pretty well in spring as well because it's so colorful and so fresh. Let me tell you a little bit about my client. She's from Germany. She is an artist, a painter, so it was very interesting to work with her because I could actually express a lot of different creative ways of styling and not be afraid that my client will be like, whoa, whoa, slow down a little bit. But she went for all the things that I chose for her. Of course, before starting a capsule, we've discussed what kind of style she prefers, what kind of colors she likes, and yeah, all her expectations about this wardrobe. And we've decided that she prefers more minimalist kind of style. She doesn't like a lot of weird details, overly sexy or feminine clothes, so she prefers more of a tomboy kind of style, which is one of my favorites to work with. So yes, my client, she's a very beautiful woman. She's very tall, almost 180 centimeters. She's wearing a size XL to double XL, depending on a brand, because of course there is no universal sizing, right? Every brand has their own size chart, and we can't really expect to find our size in every brand. So we always have to check and compare the measurements that the brand provides with the measurements of clothing that we already have and that fit us really well. And a lot of you ask me where to find clothes for bigger sizes. So today I'm going to show you, of course, where all these clothes come from. Just keep in mind that I've made this capsule last autumn, so all of these items are gone already, but the shops, they still exist, and you can check their new collections and maybe you'll find something awesome for your wardrobe that you will wear for many years. Usually I love to start my capsules with a statement item. If it's a top, I will find the right bottom and create the first statement outfit, and then I will choose everything else. And the first item that I found was this awesome shirt from Marni. This was a second hand, and I think it's so cool. The pattern is beautiful. It's a happy pattern and very creative and artistic one. And also because we have a lot of different colors in here, it's going to be quite easy to find the matching bottoms. Then I added a few t-shirts because I was thinking that this shirt can be also worn as a jacket, and it would be cool to have some nice t-shirts underneath to increase outfit possibilities. The first t-shirt that I chose was this white t-shirt with an abstract artistic pattern. I thought it would just be great to wear on its own, but also with the shirt, and I also added a cardigan that I will show you a little bit later. So one t-shirt, many outfits. The second t-shirt is much more basic, but not in a basic color. I also, of course, added a few sweaters because Germany is not that warm, neither in autumn or spring. The first sweater was this oversized, beautiful, light purple cashmere sweater, and when we looked at it after she bought it, it looked amazing on her, and she said it was such a great quality and it was so soft, and it quickly became her favorite item. The second sweater I found was this beautiful high neck hot pink sweater in merino wool. It has a little bit different shape. It's not oversized, it just has a straight shape, which is perfect. You can tuck it in, it's not too thick, or you can just wear it like this all the way out. And as I said earlier, I thought it would be great to add another extra layer to wear with t-shirts while she's working in her studio, for example. If it gets chilly, she can put it on and or take it off if it's too hot. So a cardigan is always a very nice and useful item, and I found one that had this beautiful kind of like ultramarine electric blue beautiful color. It's a little bit longer, so also great to wear with longer coats. By the way, she already had a lot of beautiful coats, so we've decided not to add anything and just go with what she already had, and that's why you will not see any overcoats in this capsule. Now let's see what kind of bottoms I've decided to choose. The first bottom was this beautiful wide leg trousers. It's from Koto. It's an amazing brand from New Zealand. They ship worldwide and they have a very nice range of sizes, and the fit is perfect. So even though it's a little bit more expensive than maybe what you're used to, but the fit is amazing. To show you the full outfits with all the items that we already discussed, I would like to first show you a bag that I found for this capsule. So I wanted to add a bag that had all the colors that we have in the capsule, but in a small quantity. So it's not very bright bag, but it has a black foundation and a little bit of bright colors that going to connect with items from this capsule. As you can see, all the outfits look beautiful. I love the combination of hot pink and green. By the way, all the shoes that you can see here are from my client's closet, so we didn't add any shoes. Also, the other bags you see, it was also from my client's closet. I just wanted to see if they match the new outfits, so she continue using them, right? We need to use what we have and buy only clothes that fit with what we already have. Otherwise, what's the point? And I love that some outfits have color blocking technique. They look very nice on tall women, in my opinion. And we also have a vertical illusion styling trick. So basically, when we have a monochrome outfit and then we put on top a third layer in a contrasting color, it creates a vertical illusion which slims and elongates the silhouette. Okay, the second bottom was this black balloon jeans. I love is that they have an elastic waistband on the back, which is very comfortable to wear, especially when you need to sit for a very long time, work in a studio, to stand up, to sit down, to be quite active. Of course, black calms everything down, and these outfits are a little bit more casual. I think they still look quite interesting and quite creative. She can play with her accessories and she can add a little bit more color with her blue bag, or she can calm everything down with her black bags. She can make her outfits look a little bit sporty if she wears sneakers, or she can make it a little bit more business casual even if she wears it with loafers. So a lot of different possibilities, even though we only added a black pair of jeans. So she already has a pair of black jeans, she has a pair of green trousers that of course is a statement item. So to add variety, I wanted to add something more tailored, and my choice fell into this pair of stretchy chino trousers. They fit her very well when she tried it after she bought it, so it's quite good for tall women. As you can see, I've only added 10 items in this wardrobe, but in the end I've actually managed to create 18 fully interchangeable outfits. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this capsule and found this video interesting. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions. I'm always happy to chat with you. And please don't forget to press like, share this video with friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.